Hey guys, welcome back to Apple a Day. I recently made a video on how to make real money, and you guys really liked it. So here's the part 2 of how to make real money, the 6-figure edition. Invest in stocks. I know that investing in stocks may sound scary, or that you feel like you need a lot of money, but you really don't. I'll show you. First off, what is the stock market? In basic terms, the stock market is literally where you buy a part of a company, and as the value of the company goes up, then you will be able to capitalize off of it and gain some money in return. Literally, you can start off with $1 and keep going up. So Bitcoin, I'm pretty sure you've heard of it. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that you can invest in. Keep in mind that the stock market can go down, so when you're first starting out as a beginner, only invest small amounts. Lyft. Lyft is a platform where you can make money by dropping people from one destination to another. You can get several rides per hour and be able to make a sizable income. You can make up to $100 per hour depending on your tips and the number of rides you get. I know some people who literally have this as a part-time job and it helps to cover the bills. This is super great because you are literally just driving around while you're earning an income, and it is also based on your schedule. Super nice. Okay, one of the best ways to make money in my opinion is through YouTube. You get paid through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. This is the best way to make money because you are literally doing what you love and getting paid for it. It's incredible. Also, you are able to influence people on a worldwide level. Keep in mind that this does take time and hard work. In order to start making money through YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I will leave some of my favorite videos of real YouTubers from small to big showing their actual incomes that they make to help motivate you to make your YouTube channel. Nonetheless, this is an incredible platform where you can make your dreams into reality. Also, a lot of the biggest stars started out using this platform to get to where they are today. Amazing. And with the internet, you can influence people from any part of the globe. Thank you so much for watching, and this is how to make real money, the 6-figure edition. Definitely check out my first video on how to make real money if you haven't seen it. And make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on what you will try below. Apple a Day just launched an Instagram page, so feel free to follow and I will follow back. The Instagram page is for behind the scenes, uploads, or any updates going on with the Apple a Day channel. I hope these tips were super helpful, and I'll catch you on the next video. See you soon!